Hi, Wes Lee, and welcome to another edition of the Mesonet Weather Report. When you are plagued by a drought, you welcome any kind of moisture that comes along. Fortunately, this year, an abundance of snow has made up for some of the rainfall lacking in the Northwest. Earlier this week, parts of the Panhandle received a couple of inches of snow that will contribute slightly to the soil moisture picture as it melts. Liquid water, i.e. rainfall, fell on parts of the state as well this week. As a cold front moved through, it created storms that dropped rain on most Mesonet sites. This 5-day map from Wednesday shows amounts of an inch or more in parts of the west and close to 3 inches in the east at the Tahlequah site. This has our soil moisture picture looking pretty good in the state. This 4-inch fractional water index map is showing green in all areas except Texas and Cimarron counties. 0.8 or higher indicates good moisture conditions at the sensor and a green color. Deeper into the soil at 24 inches, we still have some dry soils in the west that would benefit with additional rainfall. Forecasts for next week are looking to a wetter than normal situation. However, keep in mind that a good rain this time of year might only be 1/4 of an inch. Now here's Gary with a broader look at the drought picture.
Thanks, Wes, and good morning, everyone. Well, as we exit January, we see possibly more chances for drought reduction coming up. But first, let's take a look at that latest drought monitor map and see where we're at. We've really seen a really good reduction of the drought across southwestern Oklahoma. We do have just a little bit of that extreme drought left in Harmon, Jackson, and the surrounding areas, and then a little bit of the moderate to severe drought. That also extends up into west central Oklahoma, all the way up into Ellis County. Then we have, of course, the moderate to severe drought up in the western Panhandle, and a lot of our abnormally dry conditions in south central Oklahoma have also been eradicated. Just a little bit left there, so pretty good shape as we start to enter February. As we take a look into February, the first week or so, we do see increased odds of above normal precipitation, especially across northern Oklahoma as we get into that first week. This is from the outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. So that broad area of above normal precipitation possibly extends all the way up to the Canadian border. And here's an interesting map. We take a look at the USDA's primary wheat areas, the winter wheat areas across the country. The dark green are the major crop areas, and the lighter green are the minor crop areas for winter wheat. And then we superimpose the drought monitor depiction on there. So just a little bit of Oklahoma still in the drought area for wheat, winter wheat, up in the far western Panhandle and in southwestern and west central Oklahoma. But only 5% of Oklahoma's winter wheat is considered poor to very poor. So hopefully as we get into that first week of February, we can see even more drought reduction, maybe eradicate it over across all of southwestern and west central Oklahoma, and maybe the Panhandle as well. Something to hope for. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.